What we discussed, guys? API fetching, right? By using the second method. Done, everybody? Outputs you are getting, any doubts are there till? Yeah, guys. So today we are going to discuss about three more things are there. Spread operator, rest operator, destructuring, and the modules. So what are these things are? These all we will call it as a ES6 features. Already we discussed some of the ES6 features. What are they? Let, where, const we discussed, right? Those are ES6 features. Arrow functions, those all are the ES6 features only. Promises, async and await, those all are also ES6 features only. Next, today we are going to discuss the ES6 features. What are they means? Destructuring, spread and rest operator, and modules. So these all should be very much important in the React, guys. Okay, these all are the very much important in the React. If you want to become a if you want to learn React, these basic things you need. Okay, yeah, guys. So what are the things we are going to discuss here? Means first I will start with the spread and rest operator. First I will start with the spread and the rest operator. So just tell me, what do you mean by spread? What do you mean by spread, guys? Yeah, people. What do you mean by spread? Expanding. Spread means expanding only, right? For suppose you have a one glass of rice or anything, when you pour anywhere, it is expanding only, right? That is nothing but a spread. You are spreading the colors when you're drawing the picture, and after drawing the picture, when you're coloring that one, you're spreading only, right? Those things also doing same here also. We need to spread the values. Sir, what type of values we are going to spread? Arrays and objects. What is the use case of this one, sir? Okay, so what I will do here, let ARR1 equals to, I am creating the one array, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. Let ARR2 equals to 8 9 comma 10 comma 11 comma 12. Okay, now what is my requirement means, I want to combine these two arrays and I want to print a new array. How can I do that? Are you getting my point? So all the values 1 to 10, 1 to 12 values, I want in a single array. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All the values I want in the single array. How can I do that? Concatenation only, right? Okay. So simply what I can do, console log of what I need to write, guys? ARR1 dot concat of ARR2. Okay. If I run this, push. Okay, you will iterate and we will iteration and push. Okay, that one also we can do, right? Okay, now you can check. I am getting the array right now 1 to 12. So this method everybody can remember, huh? No, right? So we have one more method is called spread operator. So what the concatenation is doing, same thing it will also do. But here we will spreading the values. We are spreading the values. How we are going to spread? Let ARR3 equals to array I need to use. So when I am spread that, 3 dots we need to use. The representation of the spread and rest is the 3 dots, ma. How can I say it is a rest or it is a spread means depends where we are using that one. Depends where we are using that one. If the 3 dots we are using on the right hand side, if we are using the 3 dots on the right hand side, that one we will call it as a spread operator. If I same 3 dots I am using on the left hand side, that one I will call it as a rest operator. Is it clear, ma? If the 3 dots I am using on the RHS side, right hand side, that one I will call it as a spread operator. When I'm using the same 3 dots on the left hand side, that one I will call it as a rest operator. Now, which side I am using these 3 dots? Right side only, right? LHS, RHS means equals to is there. Equals to left side, we will call it as LHS. Equals to right side, we will call it as RHS. We will write now LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. You solve the equations, right? At the last, what I want to do, LHS equals to RHS only, right? Same to same here also. So ARR1. Now just tell me, if I will use the ARR3, what will happen? So if you can check, same to same data. Anything changes there? Huh? Just it is spreading the values here. If I will write like this, I am not spreading, sir. Simply I want to create a new array, right? I will write the like this ARR. Now you can check what it is happening here. Array inside, one more array, nested array is there. I'm wanting nested array. Huh? No, right? I want to spread the values. If we can use the 3 dots here, then what will happen? It will not create a new array. The array value should be spread in this array. That's it. Clear? Now if I want to one more value also. So, comma, dot, 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 ARR2. Dot, 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 ARR2. Now you can check. Same to same output. Any change I did? Same to same. Spread operator. This one only we will call it as a spread operator, spreading the values inside the wherever we want. This one we will call it as a array spreading. Object spreading is also there. If I want to combine the multiple objects. So what I am doing here, let obj1 equals to one object I am writing, name colon rk. Let obj2 equals to I am writing age colon 60. Okay. Now you can check here. I have a object 1 is there. I have a object 2 is also there. But what I want to do, object 3 I want to create. I want to combine the both object 1 and the object 2. Inside the object 3, I want to combine both object 1 and the object 3. Sir, how can I write that one? By using the spread operator. Obj3 equals to object I am creating dot 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 obj1 comma dot 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 obj2. So when I am using the console log of obj3, we get a. So it will spread the values inside the object. That's it. Sir, can I write array? Yeah, we will try that one also. Dot 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 ARR1. See here. Here 0, 1, 1, 2 means index values taking as a keys. Values are the normal values only. Done? Is it clear, my spread operator, how it is working now? Now, what is the use case of this rest operator? Now, what is the use case of this rest operator? So, before understanding the rest operator, we need to understand the destructuring. Okay. So, easily I can explain the rest operator. After destructuring complete, again we will come there. Okay. How it is working. So, I'm writing the one function add of console log of a plus b. Okay, console log of a plus b, a comma b. Okay. Now I am calling console log of add of 10 comma 20. What output I will get, ma? What output I will get? Okay, console log no need. Yeah, what output I will get? Huh? 30 only? Very good, 30 we are getting. If I will pass like this. Now which output I will get? Now what is my output? 30 only, yeah? 30 only? Yes, 30 only I am getting. Now what is my question here is the extra data I given, right? What is extra data here, ma? 30, right? Where it gone? Where it gone? Sometimes might be chances are there. User can give the 3 to 4 data also. I am not telling every user will give. Like me, mad user should be there. Like me, mad user should be there. They given the 3 values. Now third value also I need to store, right? Yes or no, ma? Third value also I need to store here. Now in that cases we are going to use the rest operator. If I want to store the values, remaining values I want to store means at that time I will use the which operator, guys? Rest operator. So how to use that one here means comma abc comma dot c I am writing. This is nothing but a rest operator. If I will use the console log of c, now we can check what I am getting, guys. 30 in the format of array. It means here you can observe here 10 is storing inside a 20 is B storing inside the B, 30 is storing inside the C in the format of array. So rest means remaining only, right? Can I call? Remaining all the values will be stored inside the C. That's it. That is nothing but a rest operator. Sir, only one value. No, I am giving as a 50 comma 60. Now how many values, Ray? Three values extra, right? Check. The remaining values. Rest means remaining values should be going inside. Now, when you are going for the school, college picnics or anywhere, they will tell na bus is full. Rest of the people go for the second bus. What do you mean by that? Rest of the people means remaining people. Same to same here also. What I am telling A and B only I have variables. Space is not there for me. Rest of the people go and store inside the C. That's it. It is telling. Okay, ma? Is it clear? Ah? Is it clear, guys? Spread and rest operator. Is there any doubt? Huh? Pakka? Shall I go for the destructuring now? Yeah. Guys, these all are simple concepts, but major impact on the coding. Seriously, it is looking like a very simple spread operator, just only 3 dots, but it is impacting very good ma on the React cases. Okay, seriously, the next level usage we will do of the spread operator there. So make sure that clear in your minds. Okay, when you are going for attend a React batch, there you should it should not be a new for you. Okay, it should not be a new for you. You know that already. Like that only you should behave there. Okay, like that you need to it means when you're coming for the React doesn't mean మా తెలిసినట్టు బిహేవ్ చేయమంటే అసలు నిజంగా తెలిసినట్టు కాదు. మీకు తెలియపోతే తెలీదనే చెప్పండి అక్కడ. అర్థం కాకపోతే అర్థం కాలేదనే చెప్పండి. కానీ ఇక్కడ అర్థం చేసుకోండి. సేమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అక్కడ కూడా వస్తాయి మీకు రియాక్ట్ లో మళ్ళా. ఓకేనా? ఇస్ ఇట్ నేను తీసుకుంటాను కాదు ఎవరు తీసుకున్నా సరే దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ షుడ్ బి దేర్. బ్లాంక్ ఫేసెస్ పెట్టుకోకుండా కొద్దిగా మీకు అర్థమైద్ది. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ మా? స్ప్రెడ్ అండ్ రెస్ట్ క్లియరా? షాల్ ఐ గో ఫర్ డీస్ట్రక్చరింగ్ నౌ? At that time, we need to modify the function, Ray. At that time, we need to modify the function. That's it. We'll create one variable, everything with that only we need to do. Inside the function, we need to write array already, you know the reduce method. So what I will do here inside the function, let d equals to c dot reduce of total comma value equals to greater than total plus equals to value. Now here what I will do, console log of a plus b plus t. Now you can check. No initial value. Empty array. Why it is creating empty array? I'm calling that function now. Yeah, see I have the value. Yeah guys. So see here 60, 80, 40, 41, 40. Yeah. So where is that one? Console log of a plus b plus d. Done? Here what I did here means see here. Uh Not this one. Yeah. So what it is asking means, okay, sir, you are telling me to do the total plus equals to value. I don't have any initial value, right? How can I do that? So due to that reason, I'm giving the initial value as a 0. Okay. This point also you can note it down in the reduce, comma initial value we can give there. Okay, comma initial value also we can give here. Is it clear? Avinash, now it is clear for you? Yeah. Now I am going to the destructuring here now. Yeah, guys, what do you mean by destructuring? Anybody can tell? What do you mean by destructuring? Destructuring. Which one, Ray? Spread and rest. Collapsing the structure. Yeah, guys, you want to note? Done. Note then. Note it down fast. Then we will move to the destructuring. Today we need to complete the JS. Don't worry, guys. If it is not complete, also tomorrow I will complete. Okay? Uh, Note it down fast. There is no definitions, right? Line 14, not 24. What happened, right? అయిపోయిందా? Yeah, guys, done online people. Sushil, you are only not the student for me. All are the here. Already done everybody. So I am waiting for you only. Both spread and rest. Function is a rest operator example. Above one is a spread operator. After destructuring, again I will use the rest operator once for you. While I'm destructuring, at the time I will explain you that concept again. Yeah, guys. So, what do you mean by structuring or destructuring? Destructuring means destructure each and every element, right? So, have you ever played the blocks game? Blocks, uh, plastic one blocks. When you make each and every block, it should be you are making the houses, breaks, everything you will make, right? Code blocks. So, same to same here also. If you want each and every piece you are removing, that is nothing but a destructuring, right? Yes or no? So destructuring also totally we have a two types. What are they means? Array destructuring and the object destructuring. Array destructuring and object destructuring. So first one we are going to do the array destructuring. First one we are going to do the array destructuring. Let ARR equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Now I want to print the value as a 3. Now I want to print the value as a 3. How can I print the value 3, guys? Tell me. Are you getting my point? I want to print the value as a 3. How can I print the value as a 3? Yeah, guys, tell me. What code I need to write to print the value 3? ARR of 2. Yes or no, by using the index values. So simply I can use console log of ARR of 2. Now I am getting the value as a 3 only, right? So like this, how many indexes you can remember? Is it possible to remember each and every index? Now we have only simply 5 elements. We are remembering the 5 elements index. 150 elements, 200 elements. You can remember all of them. No, right? You can't remember all of them. So what we can do there? At that time, destructuring is possible. What do you mean by destructuring? Means if you observe, this is structured data only, right? Yes or no, all the numeric values we are storing inside there in a single variable. So can I destructure that each and every value inside a one variable? That is easy, right, for us. So how to do that one means, so whenever you want to destructure array, remember guys, you need to use the array only. If you want to destructure the array, you need to use the array only. So here you need to write the variables a comma b comma c comma d comma e. Okay, equals to simply write the ARR. Simply write the ARR. Here what will happen, you know that now if you can tell, ARR is nothing but like this only, right? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, like this only, right? Here what will happen, 1 will be stored inside a 2 will be stored inside a b, 3 will be stored inside a c, 4 will be stored inside a d, 5 will be stored inside a e. Now if I want to print the value 3, which variable I need to use? C. Simply console log of c. Now you can check. Is it clear, ma? So what I am doing here, I am destructuring and I'm storing the value inside a variable. That's it. Clear or not clear, guys? This is nothing but a destructuring only. That's it. First, we are structuring everything inside array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 value. This is the example, ma. Sir, everywhere I will use a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means not like that. This is one example for us to understand the concept. So here what is happening? What I am doing, each and every value should be stored inside the one variable. I am doing that one only. Because variables you can remember. Yes or no? You can remember the names only, right? Now in your mobile, so many contact lists are there. Every contact number you remembered, or you remember the names of the every contact, names only, right? Can I call that one is also array only? Yes or no? That is also array only. So due to that reason only, we are doing the destructuring here. Yeah, I'm storing the data inside the variable small alphabets. That's it. Array data. Is it clear, ma? Sir, in this case means if I have 100 elements means 100 variables I need to create, but I want only 10 values. Yes or no? Now I have 100 element means then I need to use the 100 variables, sir. Then it is also issue for me. I don't want 100 variables. I want only, now you can check out of 5. Which value I asked for you, ma? Only 3, right? So here also what I am doing, I am creating the 5 variables to get the 3. Is it a good thing? No, right? We need to avoid this one, right? How to avoid this one means we are only using the skipping the values. What we are doing? Skip the values. How to skip the values? Again, same to same, let destructuring. So how many values I want to skip, ma? Check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. I want the value as a 3. How many values I want to skip? వెనకాల మీకు సంబంధం ఉండదు కదా. Back side, it is not issue for you. Only front, only in the front, how many values I want to skip? 2 values. So use 2 commas. Use 2 commas and I'm giving the value as f equals to arr. ARR. Now, what do you mean by this commas? How many commas you are using? That many values it will skip for us. So now I can check console log of ARR. Schema data. What is the line number 13? F I need to use. Skipped and it will schema. Okay. This is nothing but a array destructuring. This is nothing but a array destructuring. Simple only, guys. Don't think it is a complicated one. I know that you are getting shocked only, sir. This much is a. This is a simple concept, but the effect how it is creating in the React, na next level. Seriously, I'm telling. So much of code it will storing for us. Okay? Is it clear? అర్థమైందా అర్థం కాలేదా గైస్? ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉందిగా ఇంకా. సో I am displaying you the just of a example array destructuring how we are going to do. But actually this every data should be present inside the object only, right? From there directly we can get the data. Okay, na? 100 values are there means we will not use these methods, Ray. I am telling you example for you. There we are using the filter conditions and find methods you will use to get the data. Okay, for understanding purpose is these things. Okay, actually spread operator we are using inside the objects only. Especially we are doing the destructuring concepts is there. Na? Everything we are doing for the objects. So array also we can do like that. We need to tell for you. I will give you one example. Don't worry. I will combine both of them and I will give. Hold for some time. Okay. Ah, ah. అన్- అందుకే కదా దీని జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ అన్నారు. ఎక్కడొచ్చింది? రాలేదు. రాలేదు. నేను అందుకే అడిగేది ఇట్టంటే ఇట్లా అప్పుడు అడిగితే ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు కాన్సెప్ట్ బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళాల్సి వస్తుంది చూసావా? ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు అడిగేది ఏంటి? ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇది తీసుకోవాలా? ఆ? ఇంతేనా? ఎక్కడొచ్చింది? సి ఈజ్ నాట్ డిఫైన్డ్ అనే ఉంది కదా. ఇక్కడ నీ ఎక్స్ట్రా వాల్యూ పాస్ చేసే ఉంది చూడు. ఓకే, ఇది పోనీ కింద వేసుకుందాం లాస్ట్ లో. దీన్ని తీసుకెళ్ళి లాస్ట్ లో వేసేద్దాం అమ్మా. ఓకే, ఎర్ర వస్తుంది కాబట్టి స్టార్టింగ్ లోనే ఏది రాదు. It will not come. Okay na? Due to that reason only, no, to storing that data only, due to that reason I'm using the .c here to store that data. ఇదేనా డౌట్ ఇంకేమన్నా ఉందా? ఒకరి మీద ఒకరు పుష్ చేసుకోవద్దమ్మా, ఎందుకంటే అది నీ డౌట్ అయినా ఉండొచ్చు, నీ డౌట్ అయినా ఉండొచ్చు, ఆన్లైన్ పీపుల్ 40 మందిలో ఒకరిదైనా అయి ఉండొచ్చు. డౌట్ అడగడంలో తప్పు లేదు. ఓపెన్ చెప్తున్నా, డౌట్ అడగడం తప్పులేదు. మీకు క్లారిఫై అవ్వకపోతే మీరు కూర్చునే ఉపయోగం ఎడా, నేను చెప్పేం ఉపయోగం? ఓకేనా? ఉంటే అడగండి డౌట్లు, ఇంకా కాదన్నాం. లైన్ నెంబర్ 12 అగైన్. If the array is not in sequence, then how we will know, sir, how much we want to skip? Guys, first point, this thing don't use that much of level. For that case, we have IDs and we will fetch the datas there. We have filter conditions are there. We will use those conditions also. So less than 5 values, 10 values, we can use this. If you're going for the bigger one, means there also we need to go for the bigger concepts only. Okay, this work is easy to use the less number of values. If less number of values also you are using a filter only, large number also you are using a filter only, then what is the use case of that both of the filter? Line number 12. Sushil, is this one only? Yeah, here what is happening? Actually here A comma B comma C F is there. So what will happen if I am writing the A B F? Inside A is storing the 1, B is storing the 2, F is storing the 3. So I don't want to waste my extra variable. So I'm skipping the values. I'm not using the A comma B directly. I'm using the commas. In this commas, I will not store any variables, means the data will not store there. We are skipping the 1 value, 2 value and 3 value will be stored inside the F. That's it I'm doing. Clear? Yeah, output will be 3 only. Yeah. Yeah, skipping the value also understand for you? Okay. Yeah, next one, object destructuring. Object destructuring. Let details equals to name colon comma age colon 25. Okay guys, now if I want to print the name, how can I print the name? I want to get the data as a name in the output ma. How can I get that? Console log of details dot name. Basics మర్చిపోవద్దని మీకు చాలా సార్లు చెప్పా. Details dot name, if I will write like this, then I will get the name as a Ringa. If I want to age, means details dot age. Now you can check I'm getting the details dot age 25. So just imagine ma, every time I can't use details dot name, details dot age, it is a hectic process, right? Yes or no? If I will write like this, simply name, if it is displacement, it is good for us, right? So here also we need to use a destructuring only. Here also we need to use the destructuring only. How to use that one? Let object array destructuring means we are using the array, right? If it is a object destructuring means we need to use the object only. So this time here you need to mention the not variables, ma. Key names you need to mention. What do you need to mention? Key names. Exactly how? Same to same. So name, comma. So here you need to mention name, comma, age is equals to details. Okay. Now you can check here. I'm getting the same to same output only. Here I am not using the details. Still, I am getting the same output. This is the use case of object destructuring. Here what will happen? N number of times also I can use that one now. So no need to use the details.name, 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 details.name. Directly we can use like this. Directly we can use like this. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, all of you? Yeah, guys. Just a second, 1 minute. But if we have another object, that's why na here we are mentioning which object I want to destructure. Which object I want to destructure. That one only I'm giving here. You can't create a same variable, right? గైస్ ఇలా డోర్ ఓపెన్ చేయరు ఎవరైనా. మీకు ఉమ్మ తీయట్లేదు అసలు. ఓపెన్ చేసి పెట్టండి కంప్లీట్గా. వదిలేవచ్చు అది వేడి బయటికి వెళ్తే. ఇప్పుడు ఫ్యాన్ నీరంతా బయటికి వెళ్తే ఎయిర్ కొద్దిగా మన అడ్జస్ట్ ఫ్యాన్ కూడా ఇలాగ. ఐఎమ్ destructuring the object also same as like then. Okay, you are telling is a multiple details. Is it allowing? Hey, that one in a code part only opening ray. Is it allowing, Avinash? Is it clear now? If you can observe carefully, objects how I am creating. Avinash, listen one thing. This everything is used for the APIs for you. If you can observe inside the API only, you will get this type of answers. In API, if you observe when you're getting the data, huge data at that time only, you will work on this. If you can observe same details you are asking, same to same only I will create na. If you can check in the APIs, you have all the data is same like that only. We can check. Now, if you can observe here, every place title is there. Title, price, price. If we are iterating that one means every time it will be changing here. Is it clear? Manually means it is not working, guys. Guys, these all are the iterations only. When you are going for the advanced levels, these all are you are using every time. If you can observe there, every time you are writing the values dot name, product dot name, product dot title, product dot name, user dot age, like that only you are writing. Once you destructure that inside, no need to write every time that one. That name also you can use directly. Okay. For your confirmation, if I'm using the name one, age one. So if I will write the console log of name one, if I'll write the console log of name one, now you can check here what it is returning undefined. Why it is returning undefined? Inside the details one, is the name is there? No. So due to that reason, it will not return. Mandatory keys only we need to return here. Due to that reason only, we are creating multiple objects to do those things. These all are will be stored inside the array. When you iterate that one, all the values should be the same. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Is it clear? Any doubts are there? Online people? I will show you, Ray. Okay. If you observe here, this is a array for me, or else I need to call this one easily. It is good for me. Sir, one thing. In this way, we are writing the more code now. Guys, I can't understand your English. I'm giving you mic access. Speak, Ray. I given the mic access you to people. I'm not getting your questions only today. Speak out. Already given the access. Ah. Now, Sridhar, your question only. I'm solving that one. Just a second. No? Not like that. Seriously, I'm not getting your question. Due to that reason, I'm giving you access to speak. Yeah, Sridhar, now you can observe. So when I'm using the console log of data, so now you can check here. So what I'm getting, 20 objects I'm getting. It means a array. Inside that I have a 20 objects. Everywhere I am having the same to same data only, right? So what I want to do, I want to destructure the data. I want to destructure the data. Now what I'm going to do, data dot for each of value. So inside that I can write directly like this. Let title comma price equals to value equals to value. Now inside that console log of title, console log of value. So how I am writing here? Okay, is it clear now? Price. Now you can check here. See here, Sridhar. I have a 20 inside there. I have multiple objects with the same keys, each and every object having the same keys. So here what is happening? Values every time it is changing, right? Every time it is a new object. From that new object, it will take this data and it will assigning here. Is it clear, Sridhar, now? Atish, are you there? Now tell me, or else write the detailed explanation of that what you are writing. In this way, we are writing more code now. In which way we are writing more code? I am not getting, Atish. Dana, is it clear now? Offline people, అర్థమైంది అందరికి? Yeah, guys, if it is clear means I will go for the next destructurings now. Shall I move to the next destructurings now? Online people ready? Okay. So nested destructuring. What do you mean by this nested destructuring? Means object inside object. How can I destructure that? Are you getting my point? So what do you mean by that one? Till now we are using only the single level objecting only. So what I am doing? Let details equals to one object I am creating. Inside that I am using as a name, comma, age, comma, address. Address means having the multiple things, right? What are the things? House number. Next, street name. మీరు అడ్రస్లో ఏమైనా రాస్తారమ్మా? House number, street name, village name, mandal, district, state, pin code. Everything you are writing, right? So here also, what I am going to do here, place colon Delhi. Or else, yeah, place colon Delhi I am writing. House number, anything you can write, right? House number column 1/23. Okay, this is the house number. That's it. Now if you can observe, here I have a object inside object, right? Here I have a object inside object. How to destructure this one? How to first, how to destructure the address? Tell me. If I want to print the address, how can I do? Let destructure address equals to details. Okay. Console log of address. Console log of address. Now if you observe here, what I'm getting exactly the value, right? Don't worry guys. Here it is taking it as an equation. Okay. What it is returning for me? It is returning for me an array only, right? Already we know that how to destructure the array. How we are destructuring what key value I want, I am applying that one equals to value I am giving. Now same to same, we understand now address also returning me the one object. So can I destructure like this again? Let place equals to address. Can I write like this guys? Yes or no? Address is also object for me. That object again I'm destructuring here. Can I do a? You can't do a. We can write. So now you can get the output as a. I need to console log of place. Console log of place. Now you can check. I'm getting Delhi now. This is the one way to destructure the nested one. This is the one way to destructure the nested one. What is the second way here means? We know that already address is returning me one object for me. Address is an object. So directly here also we can destructure. How means? Give the colon. Address colon. Again you need to destructure like this. Place. Then no need of the this one. After that this address also will not work guys. This address also will not work because we are destructuring that one. Now you can check. Please tell you. Clear? Huh? How we need to do the next destructuring means like this only we need to do. Like this only we need to do here. Is it clear all of you? అర్థమైందా అర్థం కాలేదా క్లియరా దిస్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ నెస్టెడ్ destructuring guys. Nested object destructuring. For suppose just tell me inside that again I have one more object. Inside the addresses I am having the state colon. Inside that I am writing the normally. What I can do? Village colon. Okay, some random data I'm giving. Okay, I'm writing it as a data only. So how can I destructure this state now? Can I call after the place, comma, state can I call? Colon of village can I write? Now if I use the console log of village. Console log of village. Now what do I am getting? Data only I am getting. Clear? Huh? If for suppose inside the state again one more object is there means inside the state some random colon random of object I'm creating value colon 3. Okay, now I want to print the value as a 3. What I want to do now? Inside the after the village comma random. Very good. Next colon object. What I need to write? Value. What I need to write here? Value. Where is this, right? Here only. Value. Now if I use the console log of value, I'm getting that value also. Is it clear how we are going to destructure these things? Clear, guys? Online people. Avinash, is it clear for you? Yeah. So, okay, guys. Today is enough. Our modules also will complete. That is also one small concept only. But important one. చెప్పేసేనా వద్దా? Then what we will do now? Practice. Sir, 3 o'clock is enough. Complete all those today. Okay, note it down, right? Oh, guys, do practice. Don't worry. Today I'm not going to take that one also because I know that your faces has blummed already. So tomorrow we will continue that one. Tomorrow we are going to complete the JavaScript. So tomorrow only we are going to start the bootstrap also. Is it clear? Yeah. वो आधा घंटा लग जाएगा. That one only continuation is here, Yatish. ఉమ్. అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చిద్దమ్మా. Okay, Sunil, I will share. Yeah, guys, you can leave.